Welcome to the 1 Hour Guide channel, a transformative learning space for leaders and entrepreneurs where every hour is a step to a better you. Together, let's build your mastery and your business. Today, I'm diving into a game-changer book, Crush It by Gary Vaynerchuk. Let's start with a core message from Gary. Follow your passion. It sounds simple, right? But Gary puts a spin on it that's electrifying. He tells us that the key to monumental success is turning what you love into your career. Imagine waking up every day eager to start working because you're fueled by passion. That's the life Gary wants for you. Now, onto the powerhouse of the digital age personal branding. Gary teaches that in today's world, your personal brand is your business. By sharing your unique journey and insights, you create a standout brand. Wondering how? Check out the 1 Hour Guide for a detailed breakdown of Gary's strategies. And speaking of standing out, let's talk about leveraging social media. Gary doesn't just tell you to post regularly. He provides a blueprint on creating content that adds value, engages your audience, and turns your social media into a career-building powerhouse. Dive into the 1 Hour Guide to master these tactics. But here's the real kicker: hustle and hard work. Gary's own story is a testament to grinding. From expanding his family's wine business to launching a top-tier media company, he shows that success isn't handed to you. It's earned through relentless effort and unwavering dedication. Monetization strategies? Gary's got you covered. From e-commerce to affiliate marketing, he details various avenues to turn your passion into profit. And remember, adapting to the market and patient growth are your best allies, as Gary points out. Lastly, authenticity. This isn't just a buzzword for Gary, it's the cornerstone of all interactions. Being genuine with your audience builds trust, and trust builds empires. Want to dive deeper into these life-altering strategies? Head over to Books by Anil Nathu on Amazon and follow the 1 Hour Guide channel. All proceeds go to charity. Don't just dream about success, crush it. Subscribe for more insights and transform your career and business today.